Are you excited?
Yeah.
Josie, make sure you got clothes for tomorrow when you come here tonight. Bloody stupid.
Josie, Sarah said
You can sleep in
the princess room.
No, you got room outside the kitchen.
No, that's Jason. Just don't use your panty.
They're torn anyways.
No, I'm getting it ready.
What's the magic trick?
Wait.
What's the magic trick?
Hey!
A few moments later.
So this thing on my left here, a machine moves it like it's like a caterpillar. Oh, the one movie we didn't like to watch after? San Andreas.
Oh.
Because I was like, darn it, I work right there.
Look at.
No, I'm right here. Hey.
Oh, you can see it.
This looks so crazy.
$1 million homes right here. But right there to the right.
You don't mind if we roll these windows down so we get a better look?
No, yeah, no. We're gonna park anyways.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Right after this one, you guys walk it out.
The next day.
It'll get worse where it's all the way to the back.
Hi, San Francisco.
Hello.
next day.
Half a day. Welcome to Guam. Half a day and welcome to Guam. Hey, Park. Just getting our morning breakfast ready to go. And we're going to have a good day today.
Your Scots. Your white feet.
It makes the tree grow stronger. And it sounds weird. It looks cool. It sounds weird, but it's not. When you're hacking into the tree, you force it to repair itself. So each time it repairs itself, it makes a stronger matrix. Yeah. So a lot of the trees look like that. He's so smart. I'm telling you. These are his chickens. Don't laugh. TJ forgot to close this and that one is this way. Oh no. I think Daddy let these go. But he had like, that's what the you're hearing?
Yeah.
It's probably one of Dad's. Grandma will laugh and she said, that's probably Dad's one. Daddy comes out and but I think they're going to sell them. See, rice. Daddy will come out. No, Papa's pride is stuff. He had pigs. You're gonna see pigs running back there. There's a little black piglet, right? And there's something and she goes, so one time I came out here and I forgot to close the gate. Oh no. And I'm like, Dad's looking down going, these motherfuckers, they can't even, they don't know how to watch me. She's laughing at you guys. So come this way, I forgot to show you. This is Papa's pig fence. And she lifts the fat open and she goes,
Oh.
so you hear, there's a little black piglet back there. I was like, oh my god. And he just looked up at me and I was like, oh my god, he's so cute. He's like this big. And he's like, oh my god, oh, so cute. I saw him standing from over here. Standing from over here was all the way down that way. Oh my god, so cute. And he used to raise coconut crabs. So when you see coconut, that's probably when he used to raise them. He just left them in there probably for the pigs. Look at the chicken. You hear
Yeah, they're all over there.
Don't. But I was like, Dad's up there laughing at you, pointing. You and TJ like, oh my god, there goes another one. And then this was like, I know, we suck, we can't. And I'm like, how do you like know what to do? She goes, because I was watching him when I got here, how he was feeding the chickens and when he was getting the feed and all that stuff. And look how organized Papa is.
I know. I love it.
I got Uncle Rico, if you saw this, I'll take a picture of this, he would be like, oh my god, could you bring that back? Insane. The floors the floors go like this. So it's unsafe. You can, but Papa stored certain things in certain areas that it doesn't do that. So, you know.
Only Papa can get into it.
Oh, good shoot. So, this is what the color Papa uses. Like on the daily.
Oh.
See, so she said, oh, it was by the, what is next to the house and the back, and I thought she done with
Yes. Yeah, you want? I'll follow you inside. I'm gonna take her inside. No, she wants to go. She just said, I want to go inside. Yeah. It's a butterfly. It's a butterfly. It's just a butterfly. You don't like butterflies? It's okay. It's just a butterfly. Cleo, it's just a butterfly. It's not gonna hurt you. Remember, I told you butterflies don't bite. They don't have teeth. Butterflies are scary. Okay, go ahead. Go inside.
There's a bathroom right here for when you have get-togethers and parties. I don't know if you guys remember. There's a bathroom with the stepping stones. I know. See, I'm telling you. I was like, why is it charging?
And there's like a lot of. Oh, I love the arch. Did you notice that it's an arch?
I know. Isn't it something crazy?
That is crazy. Yeah.
All this. Find some. I know.
Aww. Oh, these are pretty. Nice. Can you not get me in it? Oh, Papa.
Daddy goes, Papa goes, come outside, Mom, I'm going to show you my present. He's just like, okay, what, another car? Right?
Yeah.
He brings her around in the back here. Here, this, I don't know, this is it, I don't know. Okay, a plant, what's that? It's your favorite, it's a gardenia plant.
Aww.
Dude, the wind, you would just smell the air, smells so good right here.
Oh, really?
And I was like, I'm going to sit right there next to it.